Hello. It's been raining on me uh, almost the whole time I've been walking today. It's been raining. I got like a little over 5.5 miles in just on my GPS. Before that, I had about 8 miles in. Um, so, but I'm not quite done walking yet. But it's been raining on me quite a bit, and so I've taken some pictures that have showing the little raindrops on flowers and plants and stuff. So had some fun doing that. Hello, Gypsy Souls. Welcome to Tea Time Talks. And I'm going to give you a little story about when I was a little child. Here is a story about a frog and a snake. When I was a little girl, about 6 or 7, we lived in Idaho, in northern Idaho. And I was a country girl. And one day, I found a snake, a little garden snake, and it had a frog in its mouth. And I thought, oh my goodness, I've got to save the frog. Well, so I took the frog out of the snake's mouth, let the frog hop away, and I felt really good about saving the frog's life. And then I thought, well, I just took the snake's dinner away from him. Now he's got to go find another dinner. And I felt bad about that. And at a very young age, I learned that there is both life and death in this world we know. And that is a little short. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story. And I'll be coming back with probably another story sometime. So just hit the bell below, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.